Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to solve 3 biology questions. Question 1. Explain what happened to the cell when cell is placed in 5M glucose solution. Question 2. Explain what happened to the cell when cell is placed in 0.4M glucose solution. Question 3. Explain what happened to the cell when cell is placed in distilled water solution. We know that 5M glucose solution is hypertonic to the cell. So 5M glucose solution is hypertonic to the cell. When the cell is placed in hypertonic solution, the water will move out from the cell. Water move out from the cell to the glucose solution along concentration gradient. When the water moves out from the cell becomes shrink or crenation. Cell become shrink or crenation. When the cell shrink or crenation, the mass and the size of the cell decrease. The size and the mass of the cell decrease. Let's focus on question 2. We know that 0.4M glucose solution is isotonic to the cell. 0.4M glucose solution is isotonic to the cell. When the glucose solution is isotonic to the cell, there is net zero water movement between the glucose solution and the cell. Net zero water movement between the cell and glucose solution. When there is net zero water movement between the cell and glucose solution, the size and the mass of the cell remain the same. Let's focus on question 3. We know that distilled water solution is hypotonic to the cell. So distilled water solution is hypotonic to the cell. When cell is placed in hypotonic solution, the water from the distilled water solution will move to the cell. Water move from the distilled water solution to the cell along concentration gradient. When the water moves to the cell, the water will undergo hemolysis. Cell undergo hemolysis.